What if I told you that the reason you hate studying isn't because you're lazy, it's because you're doing it with the wrong brain? Most people try to force focus through willpower, but I'm going to show you how to literally hijack your brain's reward system so that finishing a chapter feels as addictive as hitting a new high score. Tip 4. What you study with. Novelty boosts dopamine. New notebook, colored pens, fancy calculator. Your brain goes, oh, shiny. Research confirmed that small changes in environment or tools enhance engagement and recall. So don't buy a 200 pen set if broke. Even switching from pencil to pen counts. Baby steps, but dopamine win. Tip 3. Where you study. Same old bedroom desk. Sad, low dopamine vibes. Change your location. Library, cafe, park. If you can't move, YouTube videos, rainforest, cozy cabin, Hogwarts, no judgment. New, calm, no distraction environment is more dopamine while studying. Study somewhere inspiring equals your brain start to smiling. For example, your dream college or dream place to work. Tip 2. Lower your baseline dopamine. You've been overstimulating your brain with TikTok, sugar, Netflix. This makes studying feels like punishment. Science? Yep. A 2021 review in Frontiers in Psychology links constant social media use to lower attention and motivation for low stimulus tasks like studying. So, how do you hack it? Here are what you should do. Work 10 to 15 minutes daily and no phones. Focus plus nature equals calm dopamine baseline. No screen first and last 30 minutes of day to reset your brain. 10 minutes of mindfulness or meditation lower stress hormone cortisol and boost focus. Your brain is like a little baby. Stop sugar bombing it all day, or it won't sit still for algebra. Tip 1. Know your baseline dopamine. Here's the ultimate brain hack. Understand your dopamine baseline. Basically, how pleasure hungry your brain is at rest. If your baseline is sky high from a constant TikTok scrolling, endless snacks, or Netflix binges, then studying even a little biology feels like torture. Your brain literally screams, this is boring. On the flip side, if you maintain a healthy dopamine baseline, balanced stimulations, regular exercise, sleep, and mindful breaks, then studying feels way less painful. Your brain actually rewards focus and effort instead of constantly chasing the next dopamine hit. Start by tracking your daily habits. Notice when your brain craves instant gratification versus when you can sit and focus. Cut overstimulation where you can. Phone notification, mindless scrolling, junk food, and slowly change your baseline. Only then will your brain start to enjoy or at least tolerate actual learning. Stop lying to yourself. Your brain isn't broken. You're just running outdated software. Do this and studying stop being torture. Science said it works. Your GPA says thank you. So if you enjoy this movie, please subscribe, give a like, or leave a comment behind. Now close this tab and go study.